Welcome back to IELTS Navigator Pro. Ever wondered why you're not scoring high in IELTS, despite having a good vocabulary and strong ideas? Well, you're not alone. Many of us are so focused on building a rich vocabulary and brainstorming compelling ideas that we often overlook a critical component, grammar. Yes, grammar, the very foundation upon which our language stands. It's like the blueprint of a building. Without it, even the most luxurious of structures can crumble. In the IELTS, a strong grasp of grammar is paramount. It's not just about knowing the rules, but also about applying them correctly. From subject-verb agreement to the proper usage of articles, from tense consistency to preposition usage, and let's not forget punctuation. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in determining your score. So, are you ready to delve into the world of grammar and elevate your IELTS score? Well, in the next few minutes, we'll uncover the most important grammar rules for acing the IELTS. One of the most common mistakes in IELTS is the subject-verb agreement. In the English language, it's crucial that the subject and verb in a sentence agree in number. This means if your subject is singular, your verb should also be singular. If your subject is plural, your verb should be plural. Simple, right? Well, let's look at an example. Consider the sentence, "The dog run in the park." This sentence is incorrect because dog, which is a singular subject, doesn't agree with run, which is a plural verb. The correct sentence should be, "The dog runs in the park." Now, a common mistake made by candidates is not recognizing that certain words, though they may seem plural, are actually singular. Words like everyone, nobody, each, and so on. So the correct sentence is, everyone is happy, not everyone are happy. Remember, your subject and verb must agree in number. This rule can significantly improve your grammar score. Another common error is the incorrect use of articles. Articles are small but mighty words that can make or break your sentence structure. They are a, an, and the. Now, a and an are indefinite articles, used when referring to something for the first time or something not specific. A is used before words that begin with a consonant sound like a cat, while n precedes words that start with a vowel sound such as an apple. On the other hand, the is a definite article, used when referring to something specific or already mentioned. For example, the book on the table, or the movie we watched last night. Common mistakes include dropping an article where one is needed or using the wrong article. For instance, saying I have cat instead of I have a cat or I saw the elephant when you mean I saw an elephant. So make sure you're using the right article in the right place. Tenses often confuse IELTS candidates, leading to unnecessary mistakes. The correct use of tenses is a fundamental part of English grammar. It's not just about knowing when to use the past, present, or future tense. It's about maintaining consistency in your sentences. For instance, if you start a narrative in the past tense, it's crucial to keep it that way unless the timeline changes. Let's take a look at a common mistake. Yesterday I go to the market. This sentence is incorrect because go is in the present tense while yesterday indicates the past. The correct sentence should be, yesterday I went to the market. Similarly, avoid mixing tenses in a single sentence unless necessary. I was reading a book when my phone rings. This sentence is confusing due to the sudden shift from past continuous to present. The correct version is, I was reading a book when my phone rang. Always remember, inconsistency in tenses can confuse the reader or listener. Prepositions may look small, but they can make a big difference. Indeed, these tiny words link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. They provide context, indicating time, place, direction, and more. Consider the difference between I am on the boat and I am in the boat. The preposition changes the entire meaning. Now let's talk about some common mistakes. One that we often see is the incorrect use of in and at. Remember, we use in for an enclosed space and at for a point. So it's in the box and at the corner. Another frequent error is using of instead of from in expressions of distance. We say 3 miles from here, not 3 miles of here. There's a lot to remember with prepositions and they can be quite tricky. But don't worry, with practice you'll get the hang of it. So, be careful with prepositions. They can change the meaning of your sentences completely. Punctuation marks are like traffic signals. They guide the reader through your writing. Now let's delve into the world of punctuation rules. Commas, for instance, are used to separate ideas within a sentence. They create little pauses in your sentences, helping the reader understand your point better. However, a common mistake is overusing them, creating a confusing run-on sentence. On the other hand, periods are the full stops of your writing. They indicate the end of a complete thought. It's crucial not to forget them because without a period, your sentences can run on indefinitely, leaving your reader gasping for breath. Then, there are semicolons. These interesting punctuation marks connect closely related ideas. They are like a soft pause, more than a comma but less than a period. A common mistake is using them where a comma or a period would suffice. So, remember, just as traffic signals ensure smooth driving, punctuation marks steer your writing, making it clear and more understandable. Proper punctuation can make your writing clear and more understandable. Let's quickly recap what we have discussed today. We began our journey with the crucial rule of subject-verb agreement, a common pitfall for many. Remember, a singular subject takes a singular verb, and a plural subject takes a plural verb. Brushing up on your singular and plural nouns will undoubtedly help you navigate this rule with ease. Next, we delved into the correct use of articles. A, an, and the might seem insignificant, but their proper usage can significantly enhance your sentence structure. A and an are indefinite articles used before singular countable nouns, while the is a definite article. We then moved on to the correct use of tenses. This is where your storytelling skills come into play. Past, present, and future tenses each have their unique purpose and should be used accurately to express time during your IELTS writing and speaking modules. Our exploration then guided us to the proper usage of prepositions. These tiny words are bridges, connecting different parts of a sentence. Using the right preposition in the right place can make a world of difference to your sentence's meaning. Finally, we discussed punctuation rules, the unsung heroes of written English. A well-placed comma, or a correctly used semicolon, can make your writing clear, effective, and easy to understand. Now, why are these grammar rules so essential, you might ask? Well, your command over these rules reflects your proficiency in English, a key criterion in the IELTS examination. Each rule we discussed today plays a vital role in helping you construct sentences that are grammatically sound and meaningful. As we conclude, here's a piece of final advice. Practice makes perfect. Dedicate some time each day to practice these rules, and before you know it, they'll become second nature. Use them in your everyday conversations, your writing, and certainly in your IELTS preparation. Remember, good grammar forms the backbone of any language. Keep practicing and you'll surely ace the IELTS. Good luck. Wait a minute, viewers, we have something special for you. We are to announce that one lucky viewer will receive a comprehensive grammar guide. This guide is a treasure trove of detailed explanations and vivid examples that will help you master the English grammar rules we discussed today. To participate in this exciting giveaway, all you need to do is comment below why you think this guide will be beneficial for you. Share your stories, your struggles, and your aspirations. We will choose the most inspiring comment as the winner. So, what are you waiting for? Participate now and get a chance to win this invaluable resource. This guide could be your stepping stone to acing the IELTS. Good luck! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more IELTS tips and tricks.